right, so I got more of these. They seem to work. To get it apart, I think I got to cut this thing here. And they have a caution on them because, you know what? You could snap them on your fingers and it would hurt. Let me show you the caution. Check it out. So read this right here. Can you read that? You can screenshot it if you want. All right, so anyway, this is the monster trap, okay? So look, I'm gonna pop this out of here, right? And then what I gotta get this off of here. Oh, look at that. And this thing, to lock it out, you gotta see there's a mechanism back here. So you gotta pull it and it kind of clicks in there. You follow me? Like that. And then you gotta put the stuff in there without getting your finger caught. You follows? So this is what they really love. They love this stuff. This is their favorite yummy food. And let's go ahead and get a big spoonful of it. I'm trying, oh, it's really runny. You see? That is runny. All right, let me get my trappage. I'm gonna hang on to the back of it, and then I'm gonna get this up here, and I'm just gonna drop it right down in there. Just like that. Nice big gooey chunk of it. Okay, let me show you. There it is. Now I gotta set it up there. I gotta go up there and put it up there. And hopefully we catch something. All right? So anyway, I'm gonna go up. All right, we gotta put one up here. There it is. It's loaded with delicious, wonderful peanut butter.